Hello, my name is Chloe Ashman and I'm an associate solicitor at Edwards Family Law. My practice involves all aspects of family law, but by chance, I've been gaining experience in international unpaid child maintenance cases, REMO cases. This area of law is not something you touch on at law school, and it certainly isn't a family law solicitor's bread and butter. However, it's a really interesting area of the law, and I think it's important to embrace it, engage with it, and learn about it. And that's what this session is all about. It's a complete beginner's guide to REMO. And hopefully there's lots of newly qualified solicitors out there watching who want to gain some knowledge and experience in this area, eager to learn, but also perhaps some more senior solicitors to gain confidence and knowledge in this area too. Trust me when I say that there are certainly lots of partners out there who are complete novices in this area, but everyone's got to start somewhere. So let's make a start. What will you learn today? Today you will learn what REMO is and how it works. You will understand the basics of the 2007 Hague Convention on the international recovery of child support and other forms of family maintenance. Bit of a mouthful, the Hague Convention on this area of law. You'll learn how to check which countries are signatories to the convention, the role of central authorities, the types of applications that can be made, how to deal with incoming and outgoing creditor cases, how to deal with incoming and outgoing debtor cases. You'll learn when and how you can vary the maintenance order. There'll be a discussion of some real-life examples from my own practice, as well as a discussion on the limitations of REMO and how to add value as an English or Welsh legal professional. There'll be some top tips for new client meetings in this area. And at the very end of the slide, there's a resources list to help you do your own research and some further research in this area.